it going, reinventors? Happy Vlogmas. This is the days leading up to December 25th, and in this video series, I'm going to be bringing you 25 things to do after you retire. I'm Amelia, this is Reinventing You. This channel is all about inspiring you so that you can reinvent your life. I want you to live a life of joy, fulfillment, and purpose. I normally post twice a week, but in this instance, during Vlogmas, I'll be posting every day. Now you might say, wait a minute, haven't I already seen this video? Well, I did the same intro in every video for this series. I'm glad that you are here. I retired early from the ministry after 20 years, but it doesn't matter what age you retire. You are probably looking for what are you going to spend your time doing after you have retired, and I want to help you out through my own experience. If you are interested, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the bell. That way you'll be notified when I post new videos. This video is for Vlogmas Day 8. So what are you going to do in retirement? Maybe you're already retired, maybe you're considering retirement, or just thinking, ahead. Maybe it's 5 years, 10 years, 1 year. Maybe you've been forced to retire, or maybe you've chosen to retire. Whatever the reason that you are going to retire or are retired or in the process of retiring, you're probably wondering, how am I going to spend my time? Now, one of my most popular videos has been what I do in retirement every day. And so I started thinking about, well, what are some things that I can recommend for others to do in retirement? And this is going to be the weirdest thing that you think, why do I need this when I retire? But here it is. You're going to have goals, you're going to have plans, you're going to have a schedule. Take a day off. Plan a day every week. And when I say take a day off, you're going to be busier than you really expect to be when you retire. So find a day when you say, that is my day off. I've had a really hard time with this, especially during the pandemic, and it's been really bad. And so I've had a hard time saying, okay, this is my time to stop working on videos. This is my time not to go work part-time. This is my time where I'm not doing housework or cooking or something. Find a day every week. Hopefully it's the same day every week, but maybe it changes once in a while, that you can take the day off. Now, it doesn't mean, it's not like when my mother grew up, when it was Sunday where you couldn't do anything, like you went to church, and I think you could read the newspaper and maybe play outside, but there was not much. I'm not talking about that. I'm just saying, plan some kind of day off for yourself. It's going to make a huge difference for you. Because otherwise, you're always going to find something to busy yourself with. And you really do need that kind of what I call a Judeo-Christian Sabbath time. It's so important. So even though you're retired, plan a day off and keep it. Mark it on your calendar. That's why you should have a schedule. That's your day off each and every week. I hope you've enjoyed this video. In the comments below, let me know what you would suggest doing when you retire or when somebody else retires, or what you hope to do when you retire. And if this video has been helpful for you, guess what? I want you to give me a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Have a great one.